Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily transfer your data between your phone and computer. So for doing this you just need to install this app. Here you can see Dr. Phone. So you can also install it on Mac or on Windows. So for doing this you just need, after you download it and install it on your computer, you need to click on transfer. So now you can see your device. You need to connect your device to computer, and you can also see here my device, and also here you can see functions I can also do. It's transfer device media to iTunes, transfer iTunes media to device, or transfer device photos to Mac. So this things I can also do with Android device. So when I will connect iPhone, I can also do another options, another functions on this app. So just choose what you want and just transfer your data to your computer without any errors. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.